Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on this 2025 Harris 250 Solstice. This one is loaded out with some super cool features. It comes in the matte blue and black exterior color. You got the blackout package on the railings on the exterior here. This one has your full lighting package, so you get the lighting underneath the deck. You get the underwater lights off the back. Comes with the Ultra Tower, which gives you a tow point at the top. Super robust, tons of shade coverage, and that does fold down manually with a assisted cable in it. So super easy to use. Also in the back here, we got some cool features. This one comes with the safety railings and chains and dedicated fender storage, which is super nice touch. This keeps you legal while you're riding in that rear facing position, which is huge. This one is equipped with the swim seat. This is another one of my favorite options. This guy, it's got a pin here, you pull it out, and then this flips down, and that gives you a cool spot to hang out in the water. It's about 6 inches below the water line. Great spot to hang out. If you got dogs, it's easy for them to get in and out as well, so a nice touch there. Moving around to the other side, you have your telescoping ladder, making getting in and out of the boat a breeze. It also comes with the 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. So we'll hop on the inside, look at some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. First thing you'll notice is this awesome lounger we have. Tons of room to hang out on the back of the boat where the swimmers are. This folds into a lounger like this. It also folds all the way flat into a bed. You have these cushions that kick up if you want to have a forward-facing lounger as well. 2 different positions. Not to mention all the storage you have underneath this sun pad that communicates all the way through to the front, so you can access from the back or the front. You got a built-in cooler in the back corner here. The drain plug. Great spot for drinks when you're not in the boat. Maybe you're swimming and you want to reach in and grab something. Over there you have your chargers. You have another stereo control there, a 12-volt USB, USB-C, 3 illuminated cup holders. You even have another access there for your radio controls down here on the bottom. You got aft speakers here, transom speakers with the Harris logo. It looks great. Push some sound out to the outside. People hanging out in the water. And then moving on into the cockpit, we have this one set up with the dual captain's chairs. These will swivel, slide, and recline. Your armrests flip up. Super comfortable spot to hang out. Moving over to the helm, we have our elevated helm. I love that feature. It looks really sleek. This one has the Tech 2 package, which gives you dual Simrads. You can set it up. I like to set it up one with maps, the other with your gauge clusters. But having those 2 screens is super nice to have when you're out on the water. A really nice JL audio stereo head here. This has the upgraded sound system, the Platinum upgraded sound system, which gives you all JL audio speakers, 2 subwoofers. It really sets the stage with the sound out on the water. You have some of your miscellaneous controls over here, from lighting, your navigation lights, your interior, your exterior lights, your horn, stuff that you want to access quickly. You can even change the lights with this knob here to kind of set it to whatever you like. You got digital throttle control over here. This has the active trim, which automatically trims your outboard to give you better efficiency. But really cool spot. Hiding down here too, we have a little lockable glove box, and there is a wireless charging pad in there as well. So moving up onto the front, we have the in-floor storage. It's the largest in-floor storage in the industry. We have the cover down there right now, but plenty of area to put skis, tubes, knee boards, any of your water sports accessories. And then moving on even further, you see we got 2 massive benches here, storage underneath all your seating. It's all water managed. Tons of cup holders. You're gonna have USB and USB-C charging ports on either side. And it's just a great spot. You got flip down armrests, stainless steel cup holders. It's just awesomely equipped. So if you guys like this boat, would love to see you here in the showroom. If you have questions, give us a call. Hit us up online, and hopefully see you here soon. Thanks for watching.